Hello, my name is President Mujisha. I'm going to present you the project that I have built for the linear regression assignment. So the name of the project is insurance prediction. This project it will help the user to predict the cost of the insurance. To predict that, so you have to put some informations, and then after putting some informations, it predicts and give you the result of the charge of the insurance. So for example, let me just show you before we go to the code, and then continue show how the app is running, and show you the results of the prediction, right? So this is the application that I have built. As you see here, a beautiful form, right? So let me just put some informations, and then run and see the output that we have. The prediction of the cost of the insurance, right? So let me just put my age. Let me put like 20, right? 24. Let me put 24, right? And then put the BMI. My BMI is 30.0, right? 0.0, right? So let me put, like, I don't have child. Let's put 6. Male. I don't smoke. They put not waste. So this information is for, like, is the information that is in the data set, right? So in the data set, there is an age field that you put your age. There is the BMI where you can put the BMI. There is a number of the children where you can put the number of the children that you have. Here there is sex, the gender that you have, your gender, right? This one is to check if you are a smoker or not, and then there is the region, the place that you live. I don't know your I mean your location, right? So let me just run and see the output. Just wait. This one is because of I deployed the backend on render. So sometimes when you use the render that is free, it takes time to respond to you, right? So the render sometimes take to respond, and then if sometimes it can be like, it can give you some error. When it gives you some error, you can reload it again in order to give you the output that you want, right? So let's just wait. So if it gives us an error, we will load again the application in order to give in order to get the response from the server. So this one is because of we deployed the backend on the render. So and we have on the render we have the free subscription. So as you can see here, it already responders. As you can see here we have the output. This is the prediction price from our model. So the prediction that we must pay is for $4,900 dollar, right? This one, it has some point like 0.24 or 94, right? So this is the everything, how it works about the application, where the user can come in, open the app, and then put some information and predict the charge of the insurance, right? So that's it. That's it for the app. So let me just show you the codes that you have written. So let me just going through very quickly in order to manage the time that we have, right? So first of all, let me just go through to the model. So here, this is the model that we have. As you can see here, I already imported the all requirements, wrote the data, do some checking the unique values, then cleaning data, right, by removing the nav values, everything. So here we have to give the visualizations. yeah, this is the model that you have written, the code of the model that you have, everything that I have written to the codes, and try to explain some like points in order to manage the time that we have. So that's it for the model. As you can see here, I've written everything about the model, do the linear regression algorithms, do cleaning data, everything, and then test the model that we have. I have put the functions. This is the function that I have used it into the backend to connect with my API in order to like to connect API and my model to use that API to into the mobile app in order to make everything work properly, right? So that is for the model. So let me just show you the everything that I have done for the for the API. So this is the API, right? So this is the file that I have done for the API. This is the methods for the like okay, so let me just going through everything. So here, this is the middleware that have written for the cores to like to accept to accept every like to expect to accept the URL that comes in to call that comes in that call the that send the request to the backend, right? So this is the cores that have put it. There is localhost, there is localhost 80, there is HTTP. This is the IP address for the mobile app. So this is the URL from on render. So as you can see, the cores is already setting up. This is the schema. This is the patient data of that will be used for predict the insurance charge, right? As you can see here. So this is the helper. This is the helper that connect the that will be called into the method of bringing the API of the prediction, right? So this is the first routes. This route is checking if the server is working properly. This is the method of predict. As you can see here, this one is the one that used into the mobile app to predict the charge of the insurance, right? This is the retain. This is one is for checking, like for testing. So when you run it, it just open the window to show to that will help you to run the predict URL, right? So that's it for the API. So let me just open the Flutter and try to explain everything that I have done for the mobile app, right? This is the screens. As you can see here, this is the screens like this one. So this is the screens, right? When you open, it shows you these screens. This for the screens. So let me just open the services. Okay, for the services, first of all, I just declare the base URL that is be used to fetch that will be used to send the request into the backend, and then backend send the predict the charge of the insurance by using that model, right? That we have written, right? This is the data that we must send into that we must send into the API, right? To send the request, right? That's it for the mobile app. This is the widgets, everything about the widgets, the inputs, waveform, everything. This is the main screen, as you can see. So let's just moving on to the server that you have deployed our server and deployed our backend, right? So here this is the render dashboard. So this one is where we deployed our backend, and then this is the command. So because we have like a few minutes, this is where I configured everything about about the backend. This is the command that I have used to run the backend into the server. So this, as you can see,